Most people would agree that nature conservation is important, but there are a lot of conflicting ideas on the steps that we should be taking to maintain it. Things change over the years, and it's up to us to continue to improve and research new ways to be better friends to the earth and all our neighbors on it. Here, in Cincinnati, Ohio, we have a unique opportunity to improve our environment through the Mill Creek. The Mill Creek is an urban stream that flows for over 28 miles, starting in Liberty Township and ending just west of Cincinnati, where it merges with the Ohio River. The Mill Creek has a complicated and unfortunate history. You see, over the past century, due to urban expansion, growing industry, and other factors, the environment of the watershed has progressively gotten worse. In 1992, the EPA conducted its first major survey of the Mill Creek. The levels of bacteria and viruses from raw sewage exceeded federal and state water pollution standards at virtually every single sampling site. There were elevated levels of lead and other heavy metals, pesticides, and ammonia. The only fish that were able to survive were pollution tolerant, and other aquatic species like sludge worms, bloodworms, and leeches were found in inner city segments of the creek. In 1997, because of its multiple sources of pollution and other stressors, the American Rivers Conservation Group designated it as the most endangered urban river in North America. I know that seems like a lot to overcome, but there is hope. The Mill Creek Alliance has been hard at work for decades, making improvements to the environment of the creek, as well as encouraging community engagement by getting people involved in the fight to restore the Mill Creek to its natural, beautiful state for everyone to enjoy.